Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how to put stop loss on your MetaTrader 5 Forex. To do so, first of all, you just have to make sure your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection, and after making sure that, open up your MetaTrader 5 app. And here, after you have made a trade, this kind of blue dotted line will appear on your chart. If you click on this, you can see these three options again appear on the bottom of the screen. Those are close, stop loss, and take profit. Now if you click on stop loss, this line will appear. Now you can put this line anywhere on your margin to stop your loss, and after that it will also stop your auto trade and set your stop loss to wherever you have set it currently into. And now that is how you can put stop loss on your MetaTrader 5. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.